So today I am using field 1 and I've already obviously noise cancelled. Ground balance is 0 as always. I always have my volume on full. I've got the tones on 1. Threshold level is 2. Target tones also 2. And T1 is 1. Accept to reject -9 and T1 is 1. And my recovery speed is 2 and I'm on FE2. So that's what I'm using today, and I've got sensitivity on 23. But I'm varying that between 20 and 25. Alright, let's see what we can get on the next one. Okay, the next signal is a 19 on the Equinox. We've got ourselves a musket ball. What a weight in that. Very heavy. It's been fired, I think. Cool, right, let's keep going. Well, it's a beautiful day up here in the Highlands of Scotland. It's Bank Holiday Monday. It's not Bank Holiday up here, but I'm off work for the day. As you can see, the grass is very long, but it's still detectable. Just I'm hoping it's going to get cut next week or so. First cut of the year while it's nice and dry. Beautiful day. So let's see what we can find. See you on the next one. Okay, late signal is a 13 on the Knox. Thimble. Not found a thimble for ages, not a full one anyway. It's not silver, but never mind, still a thimble. And it's complete. Lovely job. Right, let's keep trying. Right, I've just had a 10 with the Equinox. And it's that. Don't know what that is. Part of a buckle maybe? Surely it's not part of a trigger guard of a pistol or something, or a gun. I don't know. Oh well, I'll keep seeing. We'll see what else we can find, and we shall keep trying. Right, the next find was a 19 on the Equinox, and we've got a drawer handle, or part of one. Magic. Oh well, let's keep trying. Right, we've got an 18 in here, and I'm gonna guess that it's a moo tube because they usually come up at 18. Oh no, it's a bullet shell. Probably I don't know what that is. Anyway, it's a bullet shell. Never mind, let's keep searching. Right, next find was an 18. It came out of that hole there. And it's this. I think it's made of lead. It's broken on the edge. It's definitely patterned. I wonder if it's an old lead button. An old lead button or something. It's got the remains of what could possibly be a fastening loop. I'm not sure about that one, but I like that. That's a nice find. I love that pattern on it. Brilliant. Right, let's keep going. Busy ants. Busy ants. Just about stood on that. That could have been fun. Ah, cool. Right, out of that hole there, we've just pulled out an old penny. George the Fifth. Excuse me. Oh well, it's a coin at least. Oh well, let's see what else we find. Right, I just had a lovely sounding 10 on the Knox, and it was just here, just below the surface. Let's see a bit of a buckle. Bit of silvering colour to it. Nice, like that. Shame it's not the whole one, but never mind. Still a good find. Right folks, this was coming in at a sort of solid 7. And it's in this somewhere. Oh, what's that? A button, I think. Again, a button. 2 parts. Oh, it's fell into 2 parts. That's the shank side. And the other one's that side, but there's no pattern on it. There's no pattern on it, it's just a plain little button. Oh well, never mind. Well, just had a surface find. It's just down there. It's not lead. It's not lead. There's some shape to it. Could be something or nothing, but we'll see. Cool. See what happens next. Right, we've got solid 17 here. And there somewhere. See anything yet? It should be here. What's that? Not anything old, I don't think. No, I'm not sure. Junk. Junk. Yeah, just a bit of junk. Oh well. Right, I've got this sounding 22. I think it's in here somewhere. Well, that looks like we're on this over. Here we go. Oh, an Edward the 7th silver. 3p. Never had an Edward the 7th silver before. Lovely. Fantastic. Great stuff. Right, see what else we can get. Right, next I got nice 17. That looks like a nice buckle to me. Oh yes. Look at that. That's a beaut. Lovely. I'm using field 2 today. No, sorry, field 1 today. Instead of the beach to land, which I usually use. That's not bad. Tough with that. Cool. Let's see what else we can find.